Welcome back. I'm here with Padmini's parents. Padmini's one of the performers, and you must be so excited about this performance tonight. Why is this so special to your family?
Well, she has been doing this dance, Indian classical dance, since age 7. And it's like a culmination of all the work and all the effort she has done for all these years. She's now 14 years old.
Wow.
And she just it's actually done as a solo or as a pair. So there's a repertoire to this dance. So they once they finish the whole dance, they usually do a performance back home.
So it takes a lot of time and dedication as parents as well.
It does.
What kind of dedication and involvement has been at your end of things?
Well, it's basically during the most of the year, not counting the summer halls, every week at least one class of about 1 to 2 hours. And the other thing is that she has to help out sometimes in helping Padmini understand the several layers of meaning in the dance, because it's first of all, Padmini obviously is not very well versed in our mother tongue, and this classical dance has. It depends on more than one language. There's some Sanskrit and Malayalam, and so she's not. So you have to. It takes effort to explain the meaning behind the dance, because that obviously helps bring out a better performance from her. And so so it's a very
a lot of driving around too.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Well, it was a pleasure to meet you.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Up next, we'll be talking with Aishwarya's parents. We're back with Aishwarya's parents, which is great. You must be so excited.
Yes.
Yes?
Yeah.
Has your daughter done a lot of training?
Yes.
Yeah, we did a lot of training. Yeah.
So a year ago, we planned to do this Arangetam, and like a couple months, we like every day, 3-4 hours, they practices.
Wow.
And today's the day, the final day.
How many years of training before that year when you decided?
Actually, she studied at grade 4, started at grade 4, and we did that all the trainings, the weekly ones.
So you're really happy with this investment?
Yes, I'm so excited.
And you have family from Dubai, family from India, people that have traveled from all over?
Yeah,
Yes,
all over,
yeah.
That's excellent. It's now time to see Aishwarya and Padmini's debut performance. Enjoy the show.
महिषासुरमर्दिनी जगन्मोहिनी चामुण्डेश्वरी दुर्गा लक्ष्मी सरस्वती स्वरूपिणी कामकोटिपीड निवासिनी ऐगिरिनादिनि नादितमेदिनि विश्वविनोदिनि नादिनुदे गिरिवरमिल्नि शिरोषिणि वासिनि विश्वविलासिनि विष्णुनुदे भगवति केशिनि कण्डिनि डूबिनि बुरि कुडूबिनि बुरिकृते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यगपर्दिनि शैलसुते सुरवरवशिनि दूरदर्शिनि दुर्मुखमशिनि हर्षरदे त्रिभुवनपोषिनि शङ्करदोषिनि किल्बिषपोषिनि कोशरदे धनुषनि रोजिनि दिरुषुकरोषिनि दुर्मदपोषिनि सिन्धुसुते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यगपर्दिनि शैलसुते सुरवरवशिनि दूरदर्शिनि दुर्मुखमशिनि हर्षरदे त्रिभुवनपोषिनि शङ्करदोषिनि किल्बिषपोषिनि कोशरदे धनुषनि रोषिनि दिरुषुकरोषिनि दुर्मदपोषिनि सिन्धुसुते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यगपर्दिनि शैलसुते ಸುರಲಲನಾದದ ದೇಗಿದ ದೇಗಿದ ದಬಿನಯೋದರ ನಿರ್ಧರದೆ ದಿಮಿಗಡದೆ ಕಡದೆ ಕಡದಿಮಿದ ತೀರ ಮೃದಂಗದಿ ನಾರದದೆ ಗಗುಬಾಂಬದಿ ವರದೋಂದದ ದಾಳಗ ತಲಗುದೂಕಲ ನಾರರದೆ ಜಯ ಜಯ ಹೇ महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यगपर्दिनि शैलसुते ಸುರಲಲನಾದದ ದೇಗಿದ ದೇಗಿದ ದಬಿನಯೋದರ ನಿರ್ಧ್ಯರದೆ ದಿಮಿಗಿಡದೆ ಕಿಡದೆ ಕಿಡದಿಮಿತ್ವನಿ ತೀರ ಮೃದಂಗದಿ ನಾರದದೆ ಗಗುಬಾಂಬದಿ ವರದೋಂದದ ದಾಳಗ ತಲಗುದೂಗಲ ನಾದರದೆ ಜಯ ಜಯ ಹೇ महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यगपर्दिनि शैलसुते ताद्यादयानुभवनो द्रविणाम्बोदाराम् अस्मिन् किञ्चिन विकल्य शिशो विकल्य दुष्कर्मधर्म अपनीय शायो दूरं नारायण प्रणयिनि नयनाम्बुभाग सरसे जनिलये शंकर प्रकृति भी देवी सदभू महिषासुरमर्दिनी जगन्मोहिनी चामुण्डेश्वरी दुर्गा लक्ष्मी सरस्वती स्वरूपिणी कामकोटिपीठ निवासिनी नमो नमः नमो नमः नमो नमः सर्वमङ्गलमाङ्गल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थसाधके शरण्ये त्र्यम्बके गौरी नारायणी नमोऽस्तुते नारायणी नमोऽस्तुते नारायणी नमोऽस्तुते
The years of training that have gone into the Bharatanatyam dance has been quite extensive. The debut has been excellent. It's been a great night of dance. Tune in next time to South Asian Living.